So this is, the verse is in that fourth chapter. Mora pucha mora saka mora pranapati. Ei bhave jay more kare shuddha bhakti. Apanake bhara mone amare samahina. Sehi bhave, it's almost like Hindi. Almost exactly. Sehi bhave hai ami tahara adina. I can't verify the translation. I'll just read what it says. In other words, if one is practicing Shuddha Bhakti, and we're all in our own way trying to practice Shuddha Bhakti, we may not be Shuddha Bhaktas, but we're practicing Shuddha Bhakti, okay? Under the shelter of Guru, Diksha, we have Diksha, and we're practicing Shuddha Bhakti. And by practicing Shuddha Bhakti, we'll become Shuddha. Shuddha Bhakti means Dharma, Kam, Moksha, Nechaye. Every one of us, we have our issues, and we have our desires, and we have our needs and wants. But if you ask, what do you want? I want to love Krishna. I want to live eternally with Krishna, Radha and Krishna and Vrindavan. That's a big, strong thing with me. There's so many Gyanis do bhakti, so many materialists do bhakti. It's called Karma Mishra Bhakti, Gyan Mishra Bhakti. So you say, what do you want? Oh, I want this, that, the other thing. I'm doing bhakti. So that's not Shuddha Bhakti, okay?